Hi, my name is Brunara Maria and I'm a data analyst with btProvider. Today we are going to create the parallel coordinates plot, which is useful for data point comparison across multiple measures. We are connected to the dataset provided by Tableau, namely the Global Superstore. First, we need to normalize the measures that we are going to use in the plot, so that we can have a common scale which will vary between 0 and 1. I'm going to create a calculated field called sales normalized. So depending on the dimension that we are going to display, we are going to divide the difference between the sum and the minimum sales to the difference between the max and minimum sales. I'm going to duplicate and replace the sales with profit. And repeat the process for the shipping costs. Now I'm going to create a parameter called Analyze by of type string, and in the list I'm going to add the dimensions by which we are going to compute the normalized variables. Add country, customer, and subcategory. I'm going to create a calculated field called column used, reference the parameter, and the actual columns. Now we are going to create a graph. I'm going to bring the measure names on filter and select only the normalized fields, and add the same field also on columns. Add the measure values on rows and the column used on detail. And now we are going to specify how these fields are going to be computed, namely by using the column used. And change the mark type to a line. I'm going to duplicate the field, select dual axis, and synchronize the axis. Hide the header. And for the second field, I'm going to put a circle. And reorder the values so that they seem less cluttered. I'm going to bring the measure values on color and display the parameter. So that now we can choose the dimension already added in the view. I'm going to bring the sum of profit on tooltip, the sum of sales and the shipping cost, so that now when we hover over we can also see the absolute values. And add the parameter so that now we can also see the dimension on which we are. If we want to highlight, in this case, a country, we are going to show highlighter, so that now the country selected is highlighted. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.